Yeah. First thing, have you subscribed for Azure free trial? Everyone.
Can you please repeat?
Sorry. Did you subscribe for Azure free trial?
No, sir, not now.
Yes, Sekhar, I did.
Actually, I already subscribed. That limit is over, sir. So that's why I'm not.
Okay, yeah, it's fine. Did you? I think someone said they have subscribed, right? So did anyone use debit card?
No, actually, I used credit cards.
Sir, I use debit card, Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Oh, so it is accepting, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Have a look. Just to access the portal, portal.azure.com. Okay, yeah, see, this is the portal, right? So first thing, see, today I have 1,875 rupees. Okay, why? Because in yesterday we have deployed many services. Yesterday it was 2,245, around 1,000 rupees I have consumed by creating different services. Okay, yeah, fine. Now, this we will call it as what? This we will call it as what? Notifications. Clear, guys? This we will call it as notifications. Next, this we will call it as settings. What is that, guys? Settings. Okay. Can anyone tell me this option we will call it as what? Anyone?
Blade.
Yeah, blade. BLADE. Okay. Or else we can call it as pane or left side menu. Left side menu. Clear? Yeah. Next, if you want to disable the blade, just click on appearance, click on flyout. That's it. See, left side menu has gone. Okay. Now again, go to settings, appearance, top, applied. See, then you will get it. Sorry, you will get list. You will get left side menu. You will get left side menu. Or else blade. Now click on settings, click on appearance and startup views. See, by default Azure view I am taking. If you want only blue, apply it. See, you could see black and white. If you want apply dark, apply total dark. See, so just you can apply the themes. That's it. Now go to appearance. Okay, so I am going back to Azure. Apply it. Okay, same way how we people are changing the themes for Gmail account, right? Same way here we can change themes for our, what is that, Azure portal. Okay, yeah. Next, click on it. Appearance, appearance and startup views. See, this is the white. If you want to apply pure white, high contrast theme, apply it. See, this is full white. Okay, when you move the cursor, just it will get highlighted like this. Okay, apart from that, click on it if you need to change. Okay, appearance and startup views. Okay, go back home. Sorry, full black you can apply. This is black. If you none, make it none. See, you will get blue on white screen. Clear? For example, see, by default language, it is displaying English. You know, right? If we go for China, Japan, uh, Netherlands, they would like to display same portal in their local languages. Okay, that case, how can it change? Assume that you are working with a Japanese client. Okay, Japan client would like to display entire portal in Japanese language. So what I can do now, click on settings. Okay, language and region. Now scroll down. See, this is Chinese language applied. See, now entire portal is displaying in Chinese language. Okay, it is displaying in what? Chinese language. Got it? Okay, guys. Now, see, if you want go back, Japanese language apply region. So this is Japanese language applied. It is processing.
So this change will affect only the current user alone, right?
Sorry, current user only, not for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, somehow it is Arabian language. Got it? Now forget about it. If you want to go back to English, go to a language. Here I am going to set English. Just apply. This is overview of Microsoft Azure portal. Keep it in our mind. It is important. Okay. Yeah. Now have a look. Change it. See. Now have a look. This is about what? Azure portal. This is about what? Azure portal. Okay. Yeah. First thing. This is another important first thing. Okay, what is that? Cloud shell. This we will call it as what? Cloud shell. What is the cloud shell? If you want to automate something, here you can write the code. Just click on it, off of the screen it will occupy. If you are familiar with PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, or shell scripting, anything you can write the script and execute it by using PowerShell. Okay, we have to configure. I will let you know later how to configure this cloud shell and automate the services in Azure. Okay, yeah. Next, coming to final option is this is your account settings, guys. Here it is showing my name, then Sekhar@outlook.com. Okay, yeah. When you go for my Microsoft account, okay, when you go for my Microsoft account, here you could see all details of your account. Your your email address, mobile number, age, when did you subscribe, but that all information you will get this window. Okay, see, my name is this one, and account. Sorry. Okay, account information. Okay, here we can say privacy and security information. Okay, if you would like to purchase anything else, if you would like to change any password for Azure portal, you can change it. Okay, so billing details, your information, everything it will display in this location itself. See, clear? You can upload. What is that? What is that? I can say, yeah. date of birth, location, email address, etc. etc. Okay, this is about what? Your account information. Clear? Do you have any questions so far? Just I gone through, just I'm going through Azure portal navigation. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. Anyone had any questions? Come on, guys, feel free and ask me. Do you have any questions? Any doubts? Okay, yeah. Have a look. First, I'm going to discuss about what? Subscription. Tell me, guys, what is the subscription? Please keep an eye. If you know this architecture, that is the Azure, guys. Okay, maximum you will know architecture of Azure. Now tell me what is the subscription? Come on, guys. What is the subscription? Can I say, yeah,
License.
yes, correct. Subscription is nothing but license. Okay, here I can say collection of resource groups. Okay, what is the resource group? Collection of resources. Collection of resources. Got it? Come on, come on. Okay, here subscription in the sense we have different types of subscriptions, guys. One is free trial. Let me open in another tab. So we have free trial. Next, pay as you go model. Pay as you go model. What is that? Free trial, pay as you go model. Next, enterprise edition. Okay, next, we have Visual Studio Enterprise. We have Visual Studio Premium. Okay, we have Visual Studio Student account. Okay, many types of subscriptions are there. Okay, based on your organization requirement, we will go for one subscription. Now, if people tell me one organization may have n number of subscriptions, will one organization have multiple subscriptions or not? Come on.
Yes.
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 Okay. Yes, guys. I could say AT&T project, right? I could see around 1600 subscriptions. AT&T project, especially, you know, right? American Telecom project, that is.
Yes, sir. Mobile services. Mobile
Yes, sir.
network.
Yeah, I could see around 1600 subscriptions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Now have a look. Here subscription is nothing but collection of resource group. Where can I check, guys? Just in home page itself. Scroll down. Here we have subscription. Okay. Currently, I am using Visual Studio Enterprise Edition. Let's check. It is loading. See, currently I am using what? Visual Studio Enterprise subscription. This is the subscription ID. Okay, yeah. Now if you want add another subscription, see there is a one option called add. Okay, see. Okay, here we have free trial, pay as you go model, Azure per student. See, Azure per students, whoever is fresher in this batch, okay, check with your college. Okay, some of the universities, they are providing free trial, guys. That is for 1 year. Some of the colleges, especially I have heard about Bangalore, mostly colleges. Bangalore, big colleges, they are providing Azure subscription for 1 year for students. This is, guys. Okay, yeah. Next, now if I go for other things, see, this is the Azure Pass Visual Studio Enterprise. Currently, I'm using this is the one. Okay, yeah. Next, Visual Studio Enterprise subscription MPN, Visual Studio Professional, Developer, Okay, next Microsoft Partner Network, Azure Open. Okay, now pay as you go for day one test. Many types of subscriptions are there. Okay, you can go for any type of subscription. According to that, Microsoft will provide support. Okay, yeah, next. Exact definition, what is the subscription? Collection of resource group. Okay, so very simple guys, subscription in the sense license where we can host our infrastructure, PaaS services and SaaS services. Okay, yeah, here I'm telling collection of resource groups. What does that mean? Okay, note it down. Resource group is a container. Resource group is a container which holds resources for Azure project solution. Azure project solution. Okay, Azure project solution. Each and every service or resource must and should fall down under one resource group. Okay, must and should fall down under one resource group. Clear? So far it's clear. What is the resource group in the sense? I will show you real time. Yeah, see, yeah, you went to DMart, guys. You will take one basket, am I right? Initially, starting itself. Can I say that is container? Yes or no? Say yes or no, at least. When you go for DMart, Heritage, More supermarket, Reliance supermarket, anything, first when you enter one basket, can I call it as container? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
that is the container. Later, what you will do?
Add our course.
Yes, in this container, we will keep all grocery items, sugar, grocery items, okay, chocolates, biscuits, everything. You will keep it in one container. Am I right? Finally, what you will do? You will take it to cash counter. So all items together, which are included in the container, are billable. Do you agree? Say yes or no. Okay, if you carry that container into cash counter, whatever the items you have mentioned in the container, all together is billable. All items together billable. Do you agree? Okay, instantly, if you don't want item, what we'll do? We'll keep it aside. We will pull it and keep it aside, so that will not comes under billable. Am I right? So instantly we are removing it. For example, you have taken one shot, you feel that that is high cost. What you will do in the counter itself, we will keep it asset. Then that is not comes under billable. Am I right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now what does it mean? Here, all services comes under one resource group. Finally, each and every service, all services together billable, guys. Okay, for example, Java project is there. Every month we are getting bill around 10,000. All of sudden 1 month we got 12,000. Sorry, 12,000 rupees. So you can calculate it why we got 2,000 more additional cost this month, because might be some services you have deployed. So everything is cost, guys. Every rupee is countable nowadays. Wherever cost pressure, company will fire the employees, they will do cost cutting, the things whatever they have provided. Employee benefits, I can say. Clear? Same way, here each and every service comes under one container. Okay, that comes under one resource group. Got it? Do you have any questions so far? Come on, guys. For example, your father is there. I can say your family member count totally 10,000. Okay, if all of a sudden 1 month it gone to 5,000, then your father will question this month additionally we spent 5,000. Am I right? So what does it mean? That billing total for your family. Okay, so all family members comes under one umbrella. Same way here project resources. I mean, if we consider one Java project, Java related server, storage, network, database, load balancer, DNS name, securities, okay, firewall, all these servers services comes under one resource group. All together billable. Okay, that's why I mentioned resource group is a container which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Azure project, okay, project solution in the sense every project that technically we will call it as one solution. Okay, clear? So each and every service or resource must and should fall down under one resource group. That is mandatory, guys. Okay, so what is the resource group? Collection of resources. What are the resources, guys? Just now I said virtual machine is the resource, storage account is the resource, networking, load balancer, DNS name, firewall, security, artificial intelligence, everything is the resource. Okay, sometimes I will call it as resource, sometimes I will call it as service. Both technical words are same. Both technical words are same. Clear, guys? Clear? Now, if you understand this hierarchy, that is the Azure, you can easily understand what is in and out in Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, if you had any questions, feel free and ask me now itself. I will clarify your queries. Then we will start and go create resource group. Any questions? Anyone? Yeah, fine. I will take it as no. Okay, now have a look. Go to Azure portal. Okay, yeah, next here first step left side we could see resource groups, guys. Before going for that, here we have all services. When you go for all services, here we have different categories. We have machine learning, analytics, compute, container, okay, database, DevOps, general, okay, hybrid, identity, internet of things, managed, migration, mixed reality, monitoring, networking, security, storage, many things are there. Under each and every category, we could see additional services again. See, okay, under data processing, we could see these many things. If I go for compute, okay, under compute, we could see these many services. Clear? So this is about what? Azure portal. Okay, next, now go to resource groups. Just go to resource group. Already we have 3 resource group and I have created for different batches. Forget about it. Now I am going to create new resource group. Click on it. See, guys, here Microsoft provided the definition. I am copying entire text. I am opening another tab, paste it. See, read it out. What is the resource group? It's a container that holds related resources for Azure project solution. Okay, the resource group can include all the resources for your solution. Yes, all the resources means there is a one .NET project. .NET project related server, storage, network, database, firewall, load balancer, DNS name. All these services comes under what? One resource group. Okay, see, you decide how you want to allocate the resources. Okay, so resource group based what you makes mostly sense of your organization. Yes, it is sense of organization, correct, right? If we consider TCS, okay, TCS organization will have a number of projects. I can say Java, okay, .NET, okay, PHP, other one is what? Python. Okay, assume that under TCS Java project we are getting 10,000. Okay, .NET project, okay, 20,000. Okay, PHP project 30,000. Assume that for monthly billing. Okay, Python project. Assume that 1,000 billing. Okay, so TCS has to pay around 36,000. Sorry, 60,000 rupees. Am I right? So they can signify that each project how much billing they are paying, how much billing they are paying. Okay, there is a Java, all of sudden Java billing you got it like 20,000, then they will question you why we are getting billing like 20,000. Did you create any additional services? Okay, if you created, do you have any approval or not? If it has approval, who has provided the approval? Okay, that all you have to give justification in real time. Okay, that's what even accidentally you should not create any services in cloud without approval, guys. That is ITS process. If you deploy, who has deployed, we will come to know that who has deployed the service. Okay, they can monitor and they will question you. Okay, so cost is very important. Wherever cost pressure is there, people are taking more actions, as you know that already. Okay, yeah, fine. Now yeah, see, now go ahead and create one resource group. See, create resource group. Okay, see, again I am telling what is the subscription, guys? Come on, anyone? What is the subscription? Collection of
Collection of resources.
resource groups. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Okay, now here I am giving SAP-RG. SAP means assume that SAP project which I got it, assume that I am creating RG refers resource group. Okay, where you would like to deploy, which region? I said, right, we have what is the region? Come on, tell me. Generic term, guys. What is the region? Asia region. India is the region. Japan is the region.
The location where data center is located.
Yes, correct. Simply, I can say geographical location is called region. Do you agree? What is that? Geographical location is called region. Okay. Assume that I have more customers in South India. Can I go and type it India? Just type India. I could see South India. I have more customers in East US. Yeah, you can go for East US. I have more customer in Central India. I mean North India. If I type India, okay, here it will display South India, West India, Central India. Okay, so now you people tell me how many data centers are there in India country? How many data centers are there, guys? One is how many? Come on, tell me first. In India, how many data centers are there? 3. One is, where is that? Chennai. Other one is what? Pune. Last one, come on, Mumbai, guys. Another 4th data center is coming in Hyderabad. Okay, it will be available maybe end of this year or mid of next year. Final target they are providing 2025. That is biggest, I think, second world largest data center they have establishing in Hyderabad. World second largest data center. Almost it will cover Asia, India, Sri Lanka, Japan, Sri Lanka, China, and all. Okay, that is the biggest data center. Next, now see here I am going to choose East US. Assume that I have more customers in East US, so that I am choosing East US. Okay, why, guys? Why should I choose East US? Come on. See, my customers are there in South India. Why should I choose South India? I can go for Japan, Germany, what is that? Malaysia, other regions, right?
It will be faster if you send it to
Yes,
India.
correct. So what does that mean? We are bringing our application closer to customers. Okay, if you are bringing your application closer to customers, what does that mean? We will provide better performance. There is no network latency. If there are any issues, instantly they will resolve the issues. Got it? Okay, yeah, that is about what region. Next, tags. What is the tags? Tell me what is the tags? Okay, tags are, keep it in our mind. Tags are name value pairs. Okay, name value pairs, which will give the information about resource. Which will give the information about resource. Okay, best example, if I ask you, tell me something about yourself, means what you will say? Your name and years of experience, or your education background details, and the previous organization details. Same way, right? Here, you should know, right? If I go and verify the tags, oh, this project is belongs to, this is the client, he is the owner, this is the contact information, this is production environment, this is the project code, like that you should know, right? So tags are name pair values which will give the information about resource. Here, have a look. I am going to give a project. What is the project? I can say .NET. Okay. Yeah. Next, owner. Who is the owner? Mike @ pwc.com. Okay. Next, client. Who is the client? Client is PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers, or else I am giving AT&T. People know, right? AT&T. Okay, here you can mention AT&T project, ATT project. Clear? Yeah. Next, owner. Owner, forget about it. Project code. Project code. I can say AT&T 2875 something else. Clear? These are the tags. Tomorrow, if you come and look at this tag, you can easily understand that. Okay. So J is missed out. Yeah. Clear? Project.NET. Owner, he is the guy. Client, AT&T. Project code, AT&T 394, like this. Now hit on review plus create. Yes. Okay. SAP-RG. See guys, here I can go and deploy SAP related server, storage, network, database, load balancer, etc. etc. Okay. Yeah, this is about what? How to create one resource group. Clear? Yeah. Do you have any questions so far? Anyone?
No, sir.
The cost will be same, Shikha, like region specific, it will not change, right? If,
Region, it is not specific. That is up to you guys. You can choose any region.
okay, the cost will be same only.
No, cost will be changed from
Change.
region to region.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Also, Shekhar, is it necessary that the resource group and the resources inside the groups should be in the same location?
Good question, guys. It is interview question as well. Not required. Resource group can be in different region, and the resources can be in different regions. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Any more questions? Fine. Okay. Yeah. Now I would like to deploy one virtual machine. See, in left side there is a virtual machine. If you don't see this item, okay. If you don't see this item, have a look. Go to all services. See, virtual machine is not appearing. Go to all services. Go to compute. Okay, here we have compute. When you go for compute, see virtual machines. Can you see it is, when I move the cursor, here you could see one star mark. Am I right? Yes or no, guys? Can you see my mouse movements? Yes, click on star mark. It is highlighted with blue color star mark. If it is highlighted with blue color star mark, that service you can see in the blade here, last one. Clear? From here you can drag and drop wherever you want. Okay, now click on it. See, create new virtual machine. What is the virtual machine? You people tell me. Virtual machine.
Is a collection of multiple operating systems
Okay.
and
Yes. Virtual machine is nothing but virtually accessed and physically deployed in Azure data centers. Is called virtual machine. Am I right? Okay, you know, right? Now entire world is become as a virtual. Yes or no, guys? Even our life become as a virtual. Do you agree or not? That is what virtual. Okay, what is the virtual machine? Virtual machine can access virtually where physically deployed in Azure data centers. That is called virtual machine definition in Azure cloud. Okay, yeah. Now, see, virtual machine can be created with the two operating systems. One is client side OS, other one is what? Come on, server side OS. What are the client side OSs, guys? Windows 7,
10.
Windows 10,
11.
yeah, Windows 11.
11.
Okay, yeah. Coming to the server side operating systems, again we have two types. One is Windows, other one is what?
Linux.
Linux. Okay, coming to the Windows Server edition, we have Windows Server 2012, 2016, 2019,
19,
2022. So 2011 is going to be deprecated, guys. We can leave it.
అయిపోతుంది year 10th.
Yes, we have to use 2016, 19, 2020. Okay. Why they are deprecating, you know, right? If they are not deprecating, then our Indian, some people keep use older technology, legacy systems, legacy applications. Okay, then they should earn the amount, right? So they are deprecating nowadays. Now technology rapidly getting changed. Okay, fine. Now coming to the Linux, there are different flavors of Linux, right? What are they?
SUSE, Red Hat.
Yeah, we have Ubuntu. Next, CentOS. Come on, next.
RHEL. Red Hat.
Yeah, Red Hat, RHEL, Red Hat. Next, SUSE. You know, right? SUSE. Next, Debian, Oracle Linux, Oracle Linux, Amazon Linux. Even Microsoft will come up with one Linux operating system. Maybe we are expecting by end of next year. I can say Microsoft Linux. As of now, what is that name? They have not mentioned. They will come up with wonderful features. Let us wait and see. Okay, yeah, but out of them, very popular in the market is these two guys from Linux end. These two, Red Hat and SUSE. Red Hat and SUSE. Got it? Okay, they are licensed. You have to purchase. Remaining are free. Oracle Linux also what? License. Okay, but very popular in the market is Red Hat and SUSE. Okay, now have a look. Go to virtual machines. Okay, create new virtual machine. Okay, again I'm asking, what is the subscription? Collection of resource groups. See guys, all resources in Azure subscription are built together. Okay, under one subscription, if you have 100 resource groups, okay, consider each resource group coming to one project. Then finally you have to pay total amount. That's why I given full information here. Okay, yeah. So TCS is what? Organization. If they have run different types of what is that? Resource group, different projects, then finally you have to build together and pay the amount for entire subscription. Okay, yeah. Next, now have a look again. Go back to virtual machines. Okay, go back to virtual machines, create new virtual machine. Okay, here I am choosing what? SAP-RG. What is the resource group? Collection of resource. Here I am creating one resource called web-server2. Web-server2. Clear, guys? Sir, no. Yeah, server name can be anything. Okay, we have web server. Okay, we have application server. Okay, that is different, depends on role you are going to install it. Or SQL server or database server, I can say. Database server. Got it? Okay, clear? Yeah, now have a look. Here virtual machine, I am calling it as web server -Java. Any name can be anything. Web server 09. Okay, yeah, next. Here, see, if I go and see, this is what? List of OS are there. Windows Server 2022, Red Hat, Ubuntu, SUSE, and Oracle Linux, Debian. 2022, 19, 2016. 3 OSs are there. Okay, guys. Now I am choosing Windows Server 2022. Okay, when I come to here, this is the billing. Okay, see here, 2 CPUs, 8 GB memory. Cost is what? 5,503 rupees we have to pay. Okay, 5,503 rupees. You know, right? In Azure, charges are applicable for hourly basis. I am going for CalC. Okay, so this is 5,503 by how many days, guys? 30 days. So 30 days, 1 day cost is 183 rupees by 24 hours. 1 hour cost is 7 rupees, guys. 1 hour cost is 7 rupees. For example, you have created or you have deployed one VM. Later you have used it for 10 hours. 10 into 7, 70 rupees would be debited from these free credits, guys. By tomorrow, you could see your total amount minus, what is that? 70 rupees. Remaining amount will display in notification symbol. Clear? Clear, guys? Any questions? Any doubts? Okay. Yeah. Next, see, this is the cloud. This is the cloud. You have deployed one VM. You have deployed one VM. Now, see, you have deployed one VM. Now, to access this VM from your lab tab, okay, we have to pass username and password. Okay, to access this VM, we have to use one protocol called RDP. Do you know what is the RDP? Anyone?
Remote desktop.
Yeah, remote desktop. What would be the port number? What is
22,
the port number? Sorry,
22, 24.
33. Yeah, 3389, guys.
And
Clear? RDP port number is what? Remote desktop port number 3389. That is standard. If it is Linux, if I create Linux, to access Linux, we have to use SHS. Let me write it down. Okay, RDP for Windows. What is the port number, guys? 3389. Okay, if it is SHS, secure shell, this is Linux. What would be the port number, guys? 22. Okay, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What is the port number for HTTP? 80. HTTPS 443. These are the interview questions and basic port numbers which frequently release it in real time. Okay, if any application which is running in HTTP port, HTTP protocol, so blindly we can say 80, HTTPS are 443. Now you people tell me I am accessing onlinesbi.com. See, this is HTTP or HTTPS? Come on, HTTP or HTTPS?
HTTPS.
Yeah, HTTPS. What is the port number? 443. Okay, yeah, next. Now go ahead, Azure portal. Okay, here I am entering username. What is the username? You can mention anything. So I am using generic username called cloud admin. Your wish, you can put AZ admin, you can put Java admin, .NET admin, WebLogic admin, DB admin, anything. So I will use cloud admin. For entire course, I will use same credentials. Password, I am giving SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Confirm password, SharePoint at the rate of 123. That's it. Okay, I said right. See, RTP 3389, HTTP IP, HTTPS 443. Okay, yeah. See here you could say desks, monitoring, advanced tags, review and create. Many things are there to discuss. It will take another hour, another 1 hour. So what we will do now, I will show you how to deploy one virtual machine in tomorrow's session. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free and ask me regarding today's session. Anything. Yeah, Akash, do you have any questions? Ashwin, do you have any questions?
No, sir. No any question.
Yeah, Deepak.
Yeah. I have one personal question. Are you working as a Azure architect?
Yes, I am working as Azure architect.
Why I'm asking because in future I want to become a architect in .NET or Azure. So later, can you guide me?
Yeah, sure. See, if you
Okay.
know Azure perfectly, see, the architect position will come based on your experience and technology, guys. That's it.
Okay.
Okay,
So
if you put the resume like Azure administration and DevOps, if you had around 10 to 11 years of experience, yes.
I have a 12-year experience into .NET.
Sorry?
I have a 12-year experience into .NET.
Yeah, you can become as architect and no worries.
Okay. But I know, I actually don't know, what are the skills required to become the architect. So I'm just
I think
to
already you have
better
12 years of experience, right? Learn this course and apply for architect positions. That's it.
Okay, all right.
Shekhar, will the session be 1 hour long every day, or it will be more than that?
Sorry, come again.
How long will be the session every day?
Yeah, a session should be 2 months, guys. Okay, 1 month for Microsoft Azure administration, another month is for DevOps.
No, I mean for each day, how long? Will it be 1 hour or more than that?
It is more than that, but minimum 1 hour, guys. 1 hour you can consider. Okay. Yeah, Dharma, do you have any questions? Gopi, Kalyani?
Yes, sir. Just now today I joined the class.
Okay.
Maybe this is how many classes over so far?
This is, I think, 4th session. Very simple. First 3 sessions are demo itself. Just I gave the information about Azure overview and the syllabus. Today we go on through Azure portal. That's it.
Okay. Is it for the architect level or a developer level? Because I am
No,
Java
this is
developer.
Azure administration and DevOps.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
In June 1st also you are starting some other batch regarding Azure DevOps.
June 1st, yes, correct.
So I am a Java developer. Can I join that batch? Because it's like architecture related things in
Yeah,
Azure
that is
administration.
okay. You can check with institute people. No worries. No issues from my end.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, I have doubt.
Yeah.
Here we have paid subscription. It will collection of resources group, right?
Yes,
This
correct.
collection of resource group means collection of resources. In
Yes,
collection of
correct.
resources, we have multiple virtual machines creation or only one.
Yeah, multiple virtual machines. You can create n number of virtual machines under one resource group. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll purchase one subscription. Is enough,
Yes,
right?
correct, correct. See, you are paying the amount, right? So you
Yes.
can deploy 1,000 virtual machines. What is their issue?
Okay, it is mean by different projects, different create resource groups. Right?
Yeah, create virtual machines, different resource group. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm a fresher.
Okay.
Like I want to get into an admin role. So
Okay.
in additional to this course, do I need to learn any supporting languages like SQL or Oracle like that?
Not required. Already you are fresher with cloud admin. That is more than enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
So will
Actually, I'm also fresher.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, in real time, will it be like need to learn those languages like SQL or
Yeah, in future depends on project, guys. So if you are getting to admin role, no, maximum you could say deployment monitoring and the troubleshooting, give the support to developers and the clients. That is the one. So if there are maintaining any development and project, slowly you can learn and move to that one. That is depends on your interest and depends on project requirement. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
This course is beneficial for developer.
Yes, 100%. See, this is the cloud, right? Whether you go for AWS or Azure or Google, administrator is mandatory, guys. Okay. At present, whoever is working any technologies, now cloud is mandatory. Whether you are SAP admin, whether you are DB admin, whether you are WebLogic admin, or if you are developer, if you are Java developer, now cloud computing is mandatory. Why? Because all applications are moving to cloud itself. Okay. Admin is mandatory, guys. It is not beneficiary for developers. Admin is mandatory. Whoever you would like to enter into the IT industry, especially in cloud. Okay. Any questions?
Hello.
Yeah.
This subscription is free for 1 month.
Yes,
and
correct.
The course is for 2 months. So
yes.
How we can practice
Yeah.
for
Here.
another?
Yeah. Yes. If you know, right, generally people are having 2 to 3 credit cards, right? You can create them and use it. Or else you can also use your relatives, friends, colleagues, credit cards. Okay. For me, no issues, guys. Already I have purchased it. That's why it is showing for me Visual Studio Enterprise. Okay. Once subscription is over, you can go for another subscription by changing credit card details. Okay, that's what. Every day try to practice it. That is really benefit for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I have one doubt. You said if we have a subscription, so we can create a number of virtual machines.
Yes.
Okay. Or suppose I have a one virtual machine, I created a more 100 virtual machine. So after that, they will, build together, or what is that? I did not
Yes,
get.
all they will build together. See, subscription, we have 100 resource group. Each resource group, we have 100 servers. So for all 100 resource group, how much billing? Totally, they will do it subscription only, right? That's what. If you need more clarity, go to virtual machines.
Means later they will build together, or if I have a subscription, I can create a
No,
number
every
of.
month they build together.
Okay, all right.
See, read it out. When I move the cursor here, all resources is an Azure subscriptions are built together.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
What is the job opportunities in recent days? Because the recent days the market is
Yes, guys. See, good question. Actually, for Azure, we have a lot of demand. Still, we are getting a lot of calls on Azure, guys. I'm not sure about other technologies. You can inquire with real-time people who are already there in real time. So now Azure has more calls. Okay, I'm not telling as a faculty, I'm not telling like too attractive, come and join this course and all. Overall, I am telling now market is good for Azure. I am not sure about other technologies.
No,
Why?
actually,
Because Microsoft introduced new innovation services like OpenAI, okay, ChatGPT. They are part of things, right? So that's why usage is drastically increased Azure. Now market leader is Azure. Earlier AWS. Now most of the AWS customers are coming to Azure only. Okay.
so the opportunity is for fresher or the experienced one more.
Freshers, I can say very less. For experienced people, we have lot.
Okay, and by doing this course, how much depth or how much experience we can say
Yeah.
that
So by
they
learning this course, you can put around 6 years of experience in Azure, guys.
okay,
Okay.
means the 6 years person knowledge we can give from this
Yeah.
course.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day.